Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by positioning the subject about 2 cm to 14 cm from the rear lens. This triggers the macro behavior. Make sure live photos is on so you can review true focus later. It helps when tiny shifts occur. Once done, clean the lens and use side lighting to create contrast, because detail depends on sharp contrast. Move slowly toward the subject and hold your breath if needed to steady the phone. That initial approach sets up the whole shot. You now refine focus and composition by tapping the smallest, highest contrast area you want sharp. After tapping, hold to enable AE/AF lock so focus and exposure stay fixed. Make sure to lower exposure slightly to preserve highlights. Once locked, nudge the phone in half-step increments to find the precise focal plane, because depth of field is razor-thin. If possible, rest the phone on a tripod or edge to eliminate wiggle. This is why stabilized support dramatically improves micro detail in macro shots. You finish by taking several frames with slight exposure and distance changes so you can pick the sharpest image later. Use burst mode or rely on live photo frames to select the best millimeter of focus, and then edit in photos to fine-tune contrast and sharpness. If your shots are blurry, check the distance, clean the lens, and remove any third-party case that blocks the macro path. These fixes solve most problems quickly, so make sure to try them before
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.